accidentally put the wrong birthday on your PayPal. No worries, you're not stuck with it forever. First, head over to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon, usually in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Account Settings. On the Settings page, find and select the Personal Info section. Here, you'll see your personal information, including your birthday. Click the Update button next to your birthday. You'll be taken to a form. Carefully review the information on this page. PayPal only allows you to change your birthday a limited number of times, and in some cases, you might need to upload documentation to verify the change. Now, use the drop-down menus to select the correct month, day, and year of your birthday. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Then click the Confirm button. And that's it. Your birthday should now be updated in your PayPal account. Remember that if you run into any issues or need to provide documentation, follow the instructions provided by PayPal.